with you?
I'm looking.
I don't know. They keep going down. I want to go. Like I think Sammy's leader's back there. I want to go down. Dude, how did you get?
Ken, do the Titanic thing. Save your life. Save your life. If you fall out, Titanic. Look at that factory. You see the factory? You dropped your camera. I'm gonna laugh so hard. Touch the water, people.
Hey, nice haircut.
Not nice at all.
Joey.
Oh, it's really not. Candy, give me the boy. What?
Joey, what are you doing? Oh, he's there.
Oh, what the heck? Let me feel. Come on. Oh my gosh, no it isn't.
It is softer than your Jack.
It's Titanic. No it isn't. Look at the thing, Titanic. Oh, look at some. Why are you touching my hair? Oh, it is not softer than mine. Titanic. Go up.
I know, you go down and go up.
He's part of the thing. But where's I got shocked. You're so weird.
I was waiting for this thing to say, hey, how's it going?
This is so cool.
Who is your leader? Go back to Adam, guys.
He's right here. He's right here now. See? Nice shade. Oh, nice shade.
Thank you. Ian, are you guys letting them buy?
I see the Capitol too.
No, are they?
I see the Capitol.
Popcorn right now.
There's the Capitol too.
Don't let them. Sorry, buddy. All the kids got free money.
You want to take a picture of the Washington Monument or the Capitol, Ken?
I'm recording a video.
Popcorn, dude. No. We don't have money.
We actually told the kids not to bring money for the popcorn.
Can you like donate some popcorn? Can you donate popcorn?
I don't think they're donating it.
So sad. Candy, $2. Not with me. Candy, $2. Not with me.